What's up, guys? Back at the workbench for a minute here today. Wanted to show you something real quick with the Losi Mini B. I just got some upgraded suspension arms, A-arms, whatever you like to call them, from RPM. This is the first brake that I've had on this car, and I've had it for about a year now. Got it right before it started getting big everywhere. But this thing's been, and you can see the pain. We take this thing to skate parks, we bash the heck out of it all over the place, and the first thing that I've had break was the stock suspension arm here. And the only reason I think it broke actually is because we do a lot of jumping this thing off of the ramp in front of the house and hitting asphalt and concrete. So right here, that thinned out pretty much to where it just wore through, so it really didn't even break, it just wore out from hitting concrete and pavement too many times. So I found actually this one right here is the one that broke, that shaved off. But I found these RPM arms on eBay. It says they are heavy duty, and they didn't really look heavy duty at first, any more heavy duty than the stock ones, but as I've looked at them, they actually are. It's a bit thicker plastic. You can see that the RPM arms have two different spots where you could locate the shock there. Not sure what advantage one spot would be over the other, but I just put it on those spots for now. The RPM arms come with this screw here because the stock screws go all the way through in this arm, so you can see you got that space there, so they supply you with a screw to fit in there. Everything else was pretty much stock. The pins from here just pulled out fairly easy. I thought I was going to put some big plastic drift tires on this today and run it around. It would have been fun, but the hex on these is way too small, so it's not going to work. We're about to go out to the parking garage and mess around with this guy. I'm also going to bring my El Camino out there, the Kyosho. It's got some new wheels and tires on it. DJ is going to come out with his Losi Summit drag car and his Mini B. We'll have some cones out there, maybe do a little bit of racing, try to do a little bit of drifting or something if we can. But I just wanted to show you guys the update on the with these arms. If you haven't bought any upgrades for this car yet, my next upgrade is definitely going to be shocks. This back one's sticking bad. So that'll be pretty soon. I'll get those. I'm also probably going to make this thing brushless in about the next couple of weeks here over Christmas break. But you know, been a tough car for us, first break. I'll put the link for the RPM arms in the description, and hope that helps you out with your Mini B here. So we're gonna go hit the parking lot. See you in a few minutes.
Industry 2000's microprocessor.
wheels, nice.